Does a higher maximum airflow mean better dust extraction? Not necessarily. When the E-flow function is activated on a Husqvarna DE-line dust extractor, the airflow may start out lower compared with a typical dust extractor, but you can expect much better performance over the long term. Surprised? Here's why. Think of E-flow as a gearbox for your dust extractor. Instead of running your machine at maximum power all the time, E-flow automatically chooses the right power for your application. Then, as resistance builds, whether in the filters, hoses, or attached machinery, E-flow bumps up the power to compensate, eventually reaching 100%. This gives you stable, high airflow from the moment your machine is powered on until it needs to be purged. But the typical dust extractor? Well, after just the first few minutes, performance starts to decline as the filters become increasingly saturated. This decline steadily continues until you stop working to purge the filters. The cycle repeats again and again. But thanks to E-flow, the DE-line dust extractor's performance remains consistently high between purges, while the filters take up to 30% longer to become fully saturated, which means you can work with fewer interruptions. The difference in performance becomes even clearer as time goes on. Eventually, the typical dust extractor's performance drops significantly, and the filters need to be purged more and more frequently. Meanwhile, the DE-line dust extractor's performance continues exactly as before, and so does the frequency of filter purges. And that's not all. E-flow has been shown to reduce energy consumption by up to 30% and reduce noise levels too. But there's one more thing you should know. If your dust extractor has only a pressure gauge to alert you that the filters are saturated, you might be missing this important information. That's why DE-line dust extractors are equipped with a filter alarm, so you know it's time to purge the filters and get it done before dust escapes onto the floor or into the air. Smarter, quieter, more efficient. The future of dust extraction is E-flow.